Hello friends, thanks for joining me today. Today I am doing my second project share with the items that I received from BeeBeeCrafts. The first item that I'm going to work with is this giant safety pin. These safety pins came in 4 sizes and this one that I'm working with right now is the largest. I will be making a fabric flip today. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put this piece of material, it's been hand crocheted. I did not do the work. I got this at an estate sale. It's absolutely lovely and I'm so excited to use it. So I'm going to wind this onto the safety pin. The next item I'm going to use for this particular project is a paper punch, and it puts really pretty edges on the sides of paper. I will make sure to put the links for all of the items that I used today in my description box. While I'm punching the edges, I will tell you about the BeeBeeCraft YouTube program. If you would like an opportunity to receive free product, you can click on the link in my description box and it will be the link to the YouTube program. Once you receive the product of your choice, you will make 3 videos. The first will be an unboxing and the next 2 will be project shares, where you will show how you used the items that you received. I also used the punch to make some altered playing cards and ephemera. Before I adhered the illustrations to the cards and the papers, I used the punch on them. In this video, you will see that I have used all 4 products that I received. The safety pins, the glass globes, the paper punch, and also the glass beads. I got 2 of the edges cut. Now I need to see what size I'm actually going to be working with because I'm going to need to cut the rest of this paper, and then I will punch the other 2 edges. My paper is now cut to size. All of the edges have been punched. I have the material on the safety pin the way that I want it, and now I'm going to begin working with the little glass globes. I'm putting some beads in the little glass globe and they will be very complementary to the paper that I'm using. The paper is dark, but it's got these dusty roses on it and they're kind of, dusty pink and even dusty purple. So the little beads that I chose to put inside the globe are also pink and purple. I also have some super fine glitter and I'm going to put a little bit of that in the globe as well, and it's a nice light pink shade. Now it is time for me to put the top on, and I'm using E6000 to do that. I'm ready to add some embellishments to the safety pin now, and I happen to have already had in my stash some decorative keys. So I put a decorative key on a brass O-ring, and that'll be the first thing that I put on the safety pin. I also had in my stash a cool little brass looking clock. So I'm going to add that to the opposite end of the key. I have some green ribbon and I'm going to cut a piece of that, and that's what I'm going to thread through the little glass globe so that I can hang it on the safety pin. So I'm going to go ahead and tie that on, and then I'm going to give you a little close-up of the project so far. You could actually leave it like this, but I am going to add the paper to it. Now it's time for me to adhere the safety pin and the fabric to this piece of paper. I am going to use Fabri-Tac to do that. I think this turned out super cute. There's our little globe in the center. Everything's hanging from the safety pin. Again, I'll have all the info on those items in the description box. This could be used on the outside of a junk journal, possibly on the inside, or just hanging on the wall like I have here. A very simple project with a nice big impact is to simply slide some of the glass beads onto the safety pin. That's super cute and could be added to a tassel. Now I'm going to work with one of the medium-size safety pins, and some of you know that I absolutely love Pom Pom Trim, so I'm going to go ahead and add some very colorful and festive Pom Pom Trim to this safety pin. I'm going to begin by adhering it with some Fabri-Tac. I have some nice colorful vintage fabric. It's either from the 1960s or the 1970s, and I'm going to use that. I have cut it into strips, and I'm going to tie that onto the safety pin so they look a little bit like tassels. I am trimming the fabric to size, and I'm not doing it all like at once in a stack because I do not want them to be the same length. Now I'm going to do the very same thing for the other side. I'm going to add some glass beads to the tassels, and I'm going to keep it very simple. I will slide the beads on, and then I'm just going to tie a double knot, and that will keep them from sliding off. Alright, this one's done. I think this has like a little bit of a boho feel. I think it's adorable. This next one is super simple. I am just putting on first a glass bead, next a little tassel that I had bought at the store, and then another glass bead. That was so fast and easy. I don't even think that took me 10 seconds to do it. And look how cute it is. I hope you have enjoyed my BeeBeeCraft Project Share. If you have, smash like and subscribe. Also, you can track me down on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you soon.